In today's quick tip, I want to show you how to reuse cell formatting. We can copy and paste cell formatting using this little button here. This is the Format Painter in the Home ribbon. If I want to have this number 1 in the same formatting as this number 2, then click this cell with the green formatting, then click the Format Painter and click this number 1. If I want to have all these numbers in the same formatting as this number 1, then click this number 1, click the Format Painter, and with a dragging motion select all these numbers. Click outside your selection and you'll see that all these numbers have the same gray formatting as this number 1. Now you can also do this with multiple cells at a time. Select the cells of which you want to reuse the formatting, click the Format Painter, then click the upper left cell of the destination table. Now if I want to have this formatting on all these 3 little tables, then again select these cells, and now instead of a single click, double click the Format Painter, and then click, click, click. Now we pasted the formatting multiple times. Now to deactivate your Format Painter, press Escape on your keyboard or click the Format Painter button again. And the good news is, this not only works in Excel but also in PowerPoint, Word and many other programs.